Good morning, Foodie fam. What's up? As you could probably tell, we in the beautiful Castara over in Tobago. We just picked up Bop and we came down to meet Jeremiah Mendes from TikTok. And we are about to catch a boat with Airut or PTT. And we actually heading to Cotton Bay. And I think Bop has a surprise for us. He planned to catch some fish for us to eat for lunch. Like, we hope we get through with that. And yeah, all in all, we plan to have a real good time today. So come along and join us on the journey. What's going on?
I just cool. I feel like Oli ain't coming again. I really long time I start to sweat. Hey, morning. Woo, this is it.
All this antics with you, eh? All this antics.
No.
So what's the plan? Where are we going?
Gonna spend the day on the beach, Cotton Day, like up in the countryside. So it's straight Castara from here, like probably about, let me say 25 minutes drive.
Yeah.
Catch the boat, Cotton Bay, and just vibes, you know.
So today we get to meet Chef Bop, Chef
Harvest God. I mean, it's many moods of Harvest God, you know, different elements. And today, live in person, you know, they done go show you how you can do it on the beach.
The debut on Foodie Nation, right?
No, of course. So we outside Harvest God, Big Rhett himself.
Don't know.
And Mrs. Rhett, of course. You know, I mean, so we outside.
Alright. Hey bro, what's up? Good to meet you, man.
Same here. And
Hi. Nice to meet you.
Kyle.
Nice to meet you, man.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, man.
Oh, nice to meet you.
No, I got this. I got in Charlotte, already.
Yeah.
You all want to go a little fishing. You have a little tackling board, ladies versus men, make it a little competitive. Who don't catch fish don't eat. And I'm sure if the ladies catch fish, men do eat. If the men catch fish and the ladies don't catch fish, one have to go on the grill. Let's set it further now. Problem. But I don't know, we gotta eat ingredients alone. Because we nearly reach this spot and we ain't catch nothing yet.
Nah.
Something happened. Don't worry. It's such a free life.
Wow. I never done that.
The ladies,
Ladies.
the ladies look like they're having a fish. Hello guys, you look like you're not eating today.
Chef, what's the plan?
Well, one fish was caught. Are we gonna utilize that and prepare some meals for everyone? I think it's big enough, you know, so we gotta make that work. I'm just setting up my spot here one time.
Who next?
Right. Exactly.
I catch all the cooks. What we have here?
Aye. Some sweet peppers.
What are you working on there?
Just hitting the plums slowly but surely.
And Miss Alu.
Yeah.
Harvest God making a debut in the kitchen today. Yeah. All you need to do is eat. Like, so we can cook. What are you doing there? Building a fire?
Put together. It started there. But some of the wood and them are a little dry, so we had to try. We had to try to start it however we can.
Turn, man.
Right, that gone. Right, 2 flakes. 2 flakes. Now you're going to be able to make sure and get in corners.
Yeah, I get it.
And I think this is where the olive oil comes in. You know, the olive oil, you know, putting all the dry seasonings helps impregnate it. You have to stick on it, and that way the flavor is impregnated a lot more.
practice not the whole thing.
Oh.
You can still bring it to
We didn't talk to the woodman at all.
Yeah, you talk to the woodman?
Most important, man.
Well, boy, you have to make sure and get the wood right, you know. You don't want to cut it too, you don't want to get too much big wood inside it because when that catch, you gonna be have problems. So
I seen a potato on the ground. Somebody.
I for the fire, I for the fire, I for the fire. I should have 5 finger and plum. Come from your tree?
No, I teach that. Actually, I picked that to the graveyard. Actually, I picked that to the graveyard. The whole body ain't afraid to eat graveyard fruit. Right. 2 more for you there again, Jeremiah. Right. One of the most important ingredients in any chow is lime.
Yeah, boy, lime juice.
You want half a lime or an entire lime?
No, half. You need for the fish?
No, I bring lime. Go get the chow.
Yeah, like butter.
Yeah, that's good. That's good.
You can take the knife and keep it out.
Easier. Need that knife.
Yeah, boy, problem on our way.
Time to go and see if the tasters approve of the chow. Are you going to see what they say?
Oh, yum!
Yes.
How was it? How was it?
Delicious. So good.
So good.
Compliments to the chef. Like I did it one time?
I didn't all one time. And I understand that if it cut big like that because we are making kebabs. That's why the onion and
Very small thing.
You want me to show you?
Yeah, but
Tell me how much you want.
I really like pepper, plenty pepper. Alright, alright.
I still don't want them.
well, we're gonna have a little sushi today. Ladies and gentlemen, one now announcement. Since that the guys didn't catch no fish, they will be eating no fish.
What are we doing there?
We're just climbing out the fish a little bit, making sure that you know it's all it's not fresh. Sometimes what we do here, all we do is just add lime and put them straight on the grill. Can't go wrong. No seasoning, best taste. No need no seasoning. No, sometimes what we just do, we just clean him, use the same salt water that he came from, and put him on the grill with garlic butter. Can't go wrong neither.
How we looking?
Nah, real like fresh fish too. We catch this one. Not really we, but we catch
The ladies beat the guys today.
And I agree with you fully.
He was the one who was fishing.
Look at you trying up. Well, it's still a team. It's still a team.
And I said,
They know me.
he lost so the guys ain't eating no fish today. He could only prepare it and watch it.
I'm preparing it to fry. I love doing what I do.
Because, wow. We get a boy a mission, just one mission, catch a fish. Pressure. He changed bait, he changed line.
Nah, next time. When we going back in? God is good. When it doesn't matter.
Well, hear what I'm telling you, right? Me ain't put my hand in my hat with Gary. You? No, sir.
Nah, it got happen. The small, 3 pound, 5 pound. Put in your case, huh?
No, you can't, sir.
So you always do.
Slice here.
Nah, nothing and wasting, no. Nothing and wasting. You call it the gumption. Now you can't wait to gumption. Now we're ready for it. On the grill, here we go. Woo! Well,
I'll come back for some corn.
Coming corn for the fish.
I want to put it here.
Yes.
Yeah.
Not again.
That's what we talking.
Quickly, just tell me how you enjoying it so far now. Out of everything in the bowl, what you enjoying the most?
Shrimp.
Is what, you time for you there? We enjoying the most, isn't it?
Yeah, real chef tonight. I want to get in trouble.
No, well, I mean, it's a team effort. I'm not just trying to take any credit. Just say, well, I took nothing, everybody contributed. What are you enjoying the most?
The pepper shrimp.
Bop was your favorite.
My favorite? I like Chef Astier's and I like that rainbow man. Everything is my favorite.
Everything.
Yeah, I can't pinpoint any one thing. I mean, everything come in perfectly well. I didn't hear you there.
10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10.
Alright.
Lovely. Yeah, Bop, you ready?
Just now. Just give me a...
What is that, your goggles?
Yeah.
Bop like a kid in it.
Now, ready? And Michael fell to tent in the water. We're going to see if I can catch 2 lobster or something.
You see, now after we eat, this was a catch it
Die
first.
nothing. Now, die nothing. We grill it up before we go. I saw a stingray, a small stingray.
Huh?
Stingray, yeah.
Nah, that's it.
Yeah, I see a small stingray. Not a big, probably about this one, damn.
Yeah, small. Yeah.
Yeah, that's small.
No, I see a big one,
Yeah.
but I know
Yeah,
it's a
small
cute
thing.
Yeah,
one.
that's small, yeah, yeah.
Yeah, baby.
Yeah.
Baru ang catch mo fish ang makan roasted.
Nah, but he ain't catching no fish ain't good.
I feel going back, I feel going back, I can be lucky.
Yeah, make that a roast.
Hey, I can be lucky going back.
Way. Yeah. Can I get that fish and no bust down there?
Let me see her, let me see her.
Hey.
Jeremy, follow me, you come.
What's me? Did it up? Now fine food, baby.
He said that one day he can't fish. He said he ain't coming from
Diamond lock there. What's that in there?
We also do sunset cruise where you and your
Right now, sunset.
gonna enjoy a rum punch, get a nice sunset cruise.
You want to put
Right.
and all, we're taking care of that too.
Don't worry. See, like now we come down, we think we let you spend a little thing. You're gonna come as 2, but you're gonna leave as 4. All of those things we also provide for you guys. We are all inclusive, where you can provide everything that you need. All you just have to call of us as 352-8846 or 352-7316, and you sure to get an enjoyable time. Hey, give me the one thing.
What did you got?
Damn, I'm good. You get something.
What you got, Tim?
Yeah, you get something. Yeah, man, that talking about. That one talk. Oh, God, he extra time he happened to Nile up the game. Yeah. Yeah.
Then you put back in, win.
Yeah, you put it back if you say win.
Let me see.
Neutral, Travis, neutral. Push your right.
Talk to me nice. Talk to me nice, folks. Talk to me nice.
When I say sweet, I know you coming across the way.
Speak to me nice, folks.
And you know what? He catch a rainbow runner. Rainbow runner. Well, here we call it salmon, but the son is a rainbow runner. Come, take a trophy, my brother. No. Yes, squeeze, hold it, eh? Hold it. Yeah. Hey, take a picture. Speak to me nice. Speak to me nice. Speak to me nicely.
I feel like you'll get something great back there.
Hey.
It's been for that long time. And I went and double up it.
Hey.
It's down to drive fast.
Well, boy.
Let me see.
Yeah, I see it.